Hello, my creative friend, and welcome to my channel. As you can see here, I am taking out my sketchbook and want to doodle in NeuroGraphic art. I have done some videos now, I think this is number 4. And I wanted to show you my cozy corner because I have taken up my desk in my living room so I can have it beside the fireplace now in the winter. I am not a winter person, but I live in Norway, so I have to adjust. Today I also want to show you 3 pages of NeuroGraphic art and doodling. And today it's circles and lines, and this gives me relaxation in my everyday life. As I said in my first video in this series of NeuroGraphic art and doodling, I have a complex PTSD, and it took me maybe 2 years now before I dared to say it out loud. But I thought, why not? Why not be honest and show you why this is so important for me in my everyday life? Because NeuroGraphic art is very relaxing and calm down my brain. It's a type of therapy, and maybe this can help you too. I hope it can. I am not a teacher and I am not a professional artist, but I love to be creative, and I'm doing a little bit of this and a little bit of that, as you can see here on my channel. It's watercolors and acrylics and canvas and just aquarelle paper. It's a little bit of everything, and they say that here on YouTube you have to stick to a niche. Well, that's not so easy for me, so I hope I can inspire you with what comes up to me. And in this video it's the 3 pages with NeuroGraphic art and doodling. You don't need much equipment for NeuroGraphic art and doodling. You just need some paper. You can buy a sketchbook, of course, but some paper, a pen, and a pencil. That's it. And you, like me, you can sit in the couch, you can organize a creative corner like I have, or you can sit by the kitchen table. You can take it out on the cafe. Yeah, you can do it everywhere. And what my experience is that when I am out with people, my nervous system is very high. And when I have my sketchbook and my pen with people that I know, I can take out my sketchbook and pen and just doodle when I talk. It's just like knitting. I was knitting a lot, and when my concentration can go off a little bit, so knitting is not my thing at the moment, but drawing is. And this is when you have people around you that you can talk to openly. They understand why you take out your sketchbook and do NeuroGraphic art and doodling. Well, I do, and it took me some time to get honest with the people around me and said, this helps me calm down. It's like an anxiety or something. It's the nervous system is going wild sometimes. Well, this helps me, and I hope this can be something you never thought about, but this can really help you too, maybe. I don't know. I just want to tell you my experience and give you tips on how to doodling, or like give you inspiration for your doodles. Do the same. Don't think that you have to come up with something new. Do the same as me. It's okay. It's for the therapeutic reason. I thought I have to come out and say why I'm burning for this, because it's helped me, so I hope I can help others what helped me. If you want to try this out for yourself, you can watch the video, and you can also take it down a little bit, because I have speeded up in time lapse if there is something you wonder how I did it. And you can take out your sketchbook after you have looked at the video, or maybe just watch and relax and listen to the music and the video what I'm doing. Thank you so much for watching and listening to me. And if you like it and want to follow along for more inspiration, please subscribe and follow for more. And yeah, I wish you a lovely day. Bye for now.